Today we are back in New York for drumroll. My second collab with Naturalizer! I mean, it's just so cool. Well, it sold out on the first day and they weren't expecting it, which by the way is insane. So they asked me to do another collab and now I'm like an ambassador for them. I'm wearing their sneakers right now. Woke up at the crack of dawn today and came directly to Pier 59, which is where the shoot is gonna be tomorrow. But today I'm here to do the fitting and then tomorrow is the shoot and I'm just so excited. Can I just say, like, being like in the fashion girly space is fun for me because like I've been in the beauty world for so long now. I was really nervous about doing this shoot. It clearly went well because I want to do it again and I'm just so excited. Okay, I feel really anxious because if you guys remember, I've had this on my foot for a long time. My mom tied it on me for good luck and ridding of like the evil eye, and it's halfway off, so now I need to like ask her if I can take it off. I feel anxious taking it off without it falling fully off, but if we're about to do a shoes campaign, the time is now. But I feel like life has been really positive and good for me, and I'm saying it's because of this tie.
Wait, that's just a meow.
I know.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. Should I keep it on?
Call your mom. I don't know.
And this has
Hi,
been
Mom.
moved from me because I have this on. But I am doing a shoe campaign. But I'm scared because I feel like I've been having good luck. What do I do? Do you want to tell the inspo of the Unity boot?
It's called the Unity boot?
Yeah, it's called the Unity boot because it takes with Tinted's colors 1, 2, and 3, and it merges them.
1, 2, and 3.
Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. It merges them into one boot because together we are stronger.
Here's the tea on the Unity boot, which also happens to coincide at the same month that we're relaunching Unity Balm in a different tube. They had no idea, but it worked out. And then I remember I went on the call and I told them during our original launch, I was like, it would be so cool if we came out with a boot together because I feel like I love boots, but I don't have my go-to boot and I also don't think boots are always comfortable. But shout out to Angelique from the Naturalizer team. This was her brainchild. They came up with this concept of the Unity boot where it's really this ombre of all the different hues of skin, but in this like shiny, goldish, metallic, but not too metallic, gorgeous shoe that is so comfy and beautiful and has that same beautiful meaning of what we liked with that original creation, but in a whole new style for fall. And I'm just so excited. Now we have to try on clothes to see how we're gonna pair these babies. I mean, this makes the shoes so cool.
I love your ankle bracelet.
Oh, did you hear what she just said?
What?
Oh, I love that you've got something personal tied on your ankle.
Oh yeah, wow.
Is it supposed to wear off?
From our last shoot to now, I thought it would have fallen off, but my mom put it on me to rid of the evil eye, and now I'm scared to take it off because
Don't take it off.
life has been good.
How do you feel?
I just love when I meet stylists that make me cooler than I am, which is what just happened again. The looks are so cute. It just made me so excited for tomorrow. I'm excited, yay! Okay, Mama Pandu responded. My sister said you can take it off and put it in the bushes. We can see if we have another one. My mom said yes. Do like Monique said. Monique's my sister Monica. We can get another one later. I want to be like, are you sure? You know what? Oh my God, I used to come there and get Negronis. I just feel like so lucky that at this point in my life, I get to come to New York in these amazing little doses. From New York, I have these crazy memories. I feel like I get the fix I want of why I liked New York. I'm here for a week and I can like be around the city and then I go get back to my like LA like green juice bubble yoga life. In my pajamas, basically. Emotionally unavailable. Story of my life.
Who was it named after?
Me! We decided that I want fringe.
Are you giving her a haircut?
I love the shock in your face. With both. Don't be scared, you got this.
I'm scared, I don't know why.
How are you feeling?
I am nervous. I'm like so many times. I think because his outfit's out of my comfort zone.
I can tell.
Well, it's just like I like
100%.
a short dress and boots. It's like the boots are my vibe and the dress is my vibe. But I feel like I'm not used to being this like risque. Like I said, I'm going back into my feminine era, so it's like a little out of my comfort zone. That's what the whole thing is about. The point was to get out of my comfort zone. I wanted to do this partnership with Naturalizer because I feel like all good partnerships start off organically. And the first time we did it, I was like, this is a cool concept. They're caring about inclusivity. They're shoes that I would 100% wear. But at the end of that shoot, I was like, I want to create a boot that has this sort of impact of comfort meets this message of inclusivity. And it's just cool that within a matter of weeks, it kind of came together and the Naturalizer team was like, yeah. I mean, that was part of the reason I was so excited to do it. It's like, I feel like with every decision I make, I think about like my younger self. And it's like, how can I make her proud? And I feel like a lot of young girls, when they saw the campaign, felt like they saw themselves in me doing the Naturalizer campaign. And it's one of those feelings of like, if she could do it, so can I. We're officially in the Naturalizer corporate office in New York with Angelique, the creative director of Naturalizer, and Jen. With Jen, I feel like you do everything, so I don't have the marketing. And we're gonna go and see all the shoes, and I'm probably gonna drool everywhere, and I'm excited. Wow, look at this showroom. Wow, holy shoes. Hello. Look, Mom, it's me.
Oh, you look beautiful.
That is a wrap. We did our shoot for my second collection with Naturalizer, and then I came to their showroom and got to meet some of the executives at the brand. It is just so cool to hear how the partnership impacted them on their end. So it's just, I feel really happy and excited, and I feel like each shoot I'm getting more and more into my fashion girly era, which is really nice. And I'm just so excited for the world to see the partnership, yay! Until next time, goodbye.